So hi everyone. My name is this is the session of enhancing chat-based customer recommendations with GraphRAG and hybrid search. And my name is JiunYi Yang. You can call me Abao. I'm from Taiwan. And this is the session, and we're going to start to introduce how we use the RAG with Neo4j vector search and to build a chat-based recommendation system. So in our session, we are going to go through this content. So first, we are going to let you know that what we will learn in this session. And later, I will going to introduce myself. And later that, we are going to show you our framework and the methodology that we use and the step walkthrough. And later, last, we're going to wrap up the key takeaways for you. And so what we will learn in this session, we are going to take you there to know our intelligent sales consultation systems framework and know how to combine the Neo4j vector search and also the cipher generation to help you to recommend accurate products and also utilize the user shopping intents to recommend a product to a user that meet the user needs, and also how to improve the personalization and also user satisfaction and the conversation rate in a chat-based system. And first, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Abao, and I'm JiunYi Yang. And I'm a 5-year experienced AI and data engineer, specialized in RAG and LLM application development. So some of the industrial field, like for example, communication experience, CRM and MarTech and FinTech, and also I have developed some of the applications, RAG applications, for example, like healthcare, ESG, e-commerce and marketing fields, and also LLM training. And here's my blog. You can check later for the session. And we're going to, so before we start, we're going to introduce some of the basic of a RAG and how to build a accurate and expandable retrieval system. The important thing is that the high quality data indexes that you use. So before we start to chat with LLM, before that, we need to build build a high quality data sources. So for example, you can have your data sources from S3 or from some local directory, it's okay. And later you read the data and you are going to parse it into chunks, and later you transfer it into embeddings, and you choose a vector store for you, and then you use in the LLM. Where every time you query in a chat, then we will the LLM will transform a short term to search the relevant documents from the vector DB and use it into a context that for LLM to respond the user query. So this is the simple how it works about the RAG. And later on we will provide a specific scenario for you to let you better know how to design. So we are going to take a look at this. This is our scenario in our chat. And as you can see that we define the user shopping scenario for 4 kinds of main scenarios in this picture you can see. So I don't know if it's bigger enough. So you can see, as you can see, we define that in the first stage, we have 4 kinds of scenario for user coming to the chat. For example, it wants to exploring the user is just exploration of maybe like it wants to go into abroad or going to shopping, going to fishing, or just going to play, or have some events to do, and he or she wants to buy something. So if the user is just exploring, we'll provide them a suggestion based on the user's context. Maybe the user will chat with us, and we will extract the interest behind the user's words, and then we will extract the categories for a wider range of item suggestions and provide to the user So we will recommend 1 to 2 items to display on the to tell the customers that we have some of the categories that might meet your needs. So we will summarize the advice to the customers. So for example, we can have a video for you to check. So for example, like this video, we are going to show that the user is talking that he or she wants to hiking, and the chat will tell them that first we will have a product category, and in these categories we have something we provide that might meet your needs. So for example, the hiking, we'll recommend them that, for example, you can buy some bags, or you can buy the shoes, like hiking shoes, or some of the camping utilizes. Later on, you can go to these categories to find more products for the needs that you're going hiking. So for example, this is the scenario of maybe the user is just exploring, is not a specific need. So this is for the first scenario. So for the second scenario, that the user is more he or she has a more accurate interest, that he or she wants to find some specific products. So in this scenario, we will going to make a more accurate search that based on the specific product, based on the user's based on the product's functionalities. So for example, like the functionalities, specification, brand, or some budget. So we will have some multi-condition queries. So for example, for the brand, for the category, for the specification, for example, the size or the color, so for the price range, we'll have some metadata filtering here. And also for the semantic similarity search, we will have some description or feature tag from the user speaking that this is about functionalities, and we'll find the functionalities that more similar with the product description or product feature that writing in a database. And also, because that our product, our shop, our e-commerce platform is small, so we'll also query some external sites. So for more rich content for the user to provide for them, that you can see that also other website they will have some products maybe meet your needs. So we write some crawlers for multiple e-commerce platform in Taiwan, for example, such as Shopee and Momo. So we will also search some products from the website and tell the user that, and also Amazon, to tell the user that for your needs, also here we have some products to provide to you. You can also go to there to search. And so after that, we will have a smart sorting. Before we reply to user, we will sort the product first and summarize the why we have this sort for you, and to according to your recommendations. And the price will be automatically sorted from low to high. And so for this scenario, we have a demo here. So here you can see in this picture, the user is searching for the camping. He wants a tent. Is using multiple people tent. So here we will search the Amazon product and outside site products to provide to user, and give them a table. So for user is more easily to compare with different products, and also the link, and also the price, and also the functionalities of the product, and a picture. So he or she can just watch here. So for comparing different products, this is for the specific product categories. They can do some, maybe for example, like comparing. So you can also watch the videos here. So after we give the users about some categories, and then he or she will specific on, for example, the equipment of the hiking. So later on we're going to list this hiking equipments for the user. So the AI is searching, and then it will recommend the user that, for example, the hiking shoes, and for example, and also to search from other sites, and will tell the users that you can also check the products on these sites. And for the third scenarios is to find public opinion information for specific products. So also the products will also the user will also curious about if the products it has some reviews on the different forums or something. So it can also search for the forums reviews from the outside. So also we will summarize the 10 points or the reviews on, so for example, Reddit or different forums to let the user know that, for example, one of the products, if it has some bad reviews or good reviews, it is recommend to buy, and also give them the source links. And then finally, we'll have some on-site behaviors. So for despite the product search, we also have some on-site behaviors. For example, the replacement, or for example, add to cart, or for example, see some favorites, add to favorites. Some common behaviors on the e-commerce platform. We also have an agent to help the user to do some actions after he or she checked in our system. And we're using the agent behind the RAG. So if we have some user intent, and it will trigger and to do the actually action on the platform. So this is the main design of our multiple scenario of user shopping. So also we can check another example about the searching product with the specification. So for example, in this example, the user is searching for a 24-port switch. The switch, you know that the switch has a very kinds of specifications to define. For example, like the ports number, or the internet speed, or gigahertz, or brand, or such, for example. So we're going to show the correct specification that the user wants. So for example, the user wants the port number is 24, number of ports. So we're going to show the switches that is meet the user's needs, and also tell the users the features and the pros of the products to the user. So make them to choose easily on the website. So this is another demo. Okay. So after the demo, we're going to tell that how we do this, how we build the system quickly with some step walkthrough. So for example, for first you have to build a good data pipeline, and the second one is you need to do a RAG flow design, and the third one is the important thing for stability is the prompt engineering. So for the two parts of this system, the main part, the first one is the user intent classification, and the second part is the text to cipher generation. And the first part is to build a data pipeline. So we, for example, we are using the Neo4j and also the Qdrant for our searching in this project, in this product. So we have a real-time update e-commerce product database, so we can capture the product status and also the specifications here also in the database. So we can do the hybrid search for filtering, and also the similarity search. And we can also our data schema is flexible for any new product specs in the database. And the second one is the RAG flow design. So as you can see, we have 4 main scenario. So we will auto detect the user's shopping journey in our RAG flow. And the last one is the prompt engineering. We'll use the user journey and the examples to make LLM judge the user intent more accurately. And later on, we optimize the search with the detailed specs on NetHound products with hybrid search. That is, we combine the Neo4j vector search and also the normal cipher filtering to find the products accurately. So as you can see, we will have the user prompt, a user query, and then we will generate the cipher, and also we will search with the Neo4j vector search, and later we get a result, and we will do the second re-ranking, and then we output to the user. So quickly, key takeaway, we have 5 main points of these products. The first one is the data pipeline setup, and the second one is the commodity retrieval system, and the first one is the multi-stage prompt engineering. As you can see that we have a user intent judgment and also a database query conversion, self-review of the product recommendation before we respond to the user. And the later one is the multi-agent framework. We have some crawlers and also some add to cart actions, agents for corresponding user actions in the chat-based RAG. And for any RAG product development, I will have a loop of optimization. So as you can see, the key data collection and also to the knowledge sourcing and indexing, so retrieval. And later on, when you have some conversation record, you can do fine tuning, and to optimize your responses. Later on, you have a continuously evaluation and testing. So this is a loop to optimize your RAG model, RAG framework of your product. So this is my sharing today. This short, but you can check the video again or the slides again if you have any questions. You can feel free to ask me from the email. And so thank you for listening today.